All right, this is our Sabará, Jaboticaba, and I just wanted to show you the fruit growing in here. And I've been thinking about this a lot lately, and I need to get out here. Something's already getting to it. I need to get out here and pick these things as quick as I can. But they call this the Brazilian Grape Tree, and the grapes grow right on the trunk and the branches of the tree, and it's a very slow growing tree, but the fruit tastes like a grape, but it's better than any grape I've ever had in my whole life. So I want to get these off as soon as possible. But although it's a tree, it grows very slowly, and it grows really well in pots. So anybody wants to grow a tree in a pot, there is probably not a better tree you could grow in a pot. And this fruit is just absolutely amazing. Just really good flavor. It tastes kind of the flavor of that purple Welch's grape juice, but just a really rich flavor. See what I can pick off here. Boy, is Sherry gonna be excited when she gets home and sees these. Boy, look at some of these down in here. We just got there's a lot more of these than I had realized. Got this big plate of them or bowl of them, and it's just bubbling over. I probably only got about half of them. The one thing to tell you about these grapes is the skin is a little bit tough. You bite into it, and it's kind of thick and kind of leathery, but the inside is like the consistency of a grape and just excellent flavor. But the outside is kind of sour, kind of like a mixture of lemon and eucalyptus. So a lot of people will spit out the skin, but I actually will eat the skin also. But just an excellent fruit, and just a great fruit for someone to grow even on just a patio in a pot. It's just a beautiful plant and just amazing flavor. I can't recommend it enough. When we bought the Jaboticaba, somebody told us that they take 5 years to fruit. When I bought it, judging by how slow they grow, I figured the plant was about 5 years old. And it took 6 years to fruit, because the Sabará takes longer to fruit than any of them, like 10 to 12 years. But I think it's the best flavor, and they say it's the best root stock. You can actually graft other varieties of Jaboticaba onto this one.